What's up, everybody?
What's going on, y'all?
It's Mattis Motorworks back at it again. And,
yes, sir.
Today we have a Chevrolet 5.3 LS motor out of a 05 Chevy Silverado. And we are going...
05 or 07?
I think it's 5.
Either way.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to tear this thing apart and start a rebuild on it.
Yeah, we're going to do a little, well, we ain't going to try, we're going to do a turbo LS for something.
Everybody else is doing it, so I think we're going to try it too.
Yeah. Let's make cheap power, I guess.
And we're going to see how fast the car goes whenever it's done.
But for now, we're going to tear this thing down and see what we're working with. Because our friend that we got it from,
fair enough,
he gave it to us. So it's a free motor.
It is free motor. Trade up some shop time for it.
Yeah. But he drove this thing cross country and up from the bottom to the top and back down 3 times, I guess.
All the way California back. We on the East Coast.
On all the quarts of Lucas and 1 quart of oil.
So it smoked a little bit.
Yeah. So something's not good internally.
I don't think anything's broken because it was running when pulled. It just smoked a lot. So we're going to get this thing tore apart today. That's going to be a tear down video and see where we go from there.
See what we got to work with anyways.
Yeah. Y'all stay tuned.
Yes. All right. So I have previously took this side apart already.
That's my side.
Because I was just messing around one day in the shop. So most of this is loose, like the header's loose. The dipstick should come out.
It did. There it is.
So yeah, this is a 5.3 like we said. So it's probably a Gen 3. Depending on what year it actually come out of. I thought it come out of 07. I mean, broken exhaust studs we got.
All of them broke, right? The bolts. These are still loose, ain't they?
What?
The side here.
Yeah. I just threw it back together.
Oh. Yeah.
These are.
Yeah, put them over on the way, I guess, and then finish these.
This hole right here.
Ooh. Have a bad valve right there.
Got to be the problem where the smoke was coming from, I bet. You ready?
Yes, sir.
It probably ain't gonna fall off like that other one did.
Yeah, it's pretty close. All but did, didn't it? All but did.
Yes, sir. All right. I guess hit that thing with a hammer and see if it come off. Got him.
Wasn't too bad. That's the next step.
Yep.
Now you ordered a special puller for that bottom.
Yeah, I wonder where it's at.
I'm not sure. Been a minute on that. But let's see here. How far are we taking this thing apart? Taking pistons out and everything?
It
went from long block to short block status now. So
look at these trays, lifter trays.
Lifter tray, okay.
Pop them off. Bam. Bam.
Sir, you keep over them.
All right, so I'll put these 2 here. Put them in my little catch-all right here. Valley cover can come off.
Well, I can see the cylinder balls don't look too bad on
Yeah, they're not horrible. I still see a lot of cross hatches here. Oh, God almighty.
Oh, son of a gun, man. People almost getting you, ain't it?
Yeah. Valley cover.
You gotta take these sensors out first.
All right, valley cover should come off. Now, when I took that thing off originally, I had that off too already. That thing about cut my finger off.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's full of dirt.
Full of dirt. Well, I guess. This.
That'd be the next step, I imagine, that piece
All right,
there.
well, I'm going to look for the puller real quick. It should be in the cabinet. Then I'll cut this back on in a second.
All right, well, Josh is fixing to pull this front pulley off, crank pulley. I'm going to take the knock sensors out, sensor back here out, and the lifters, so we can be ready to remove the cam.
Yep. So hopefully this will get it off. Oof.
Turn the whole motor. I see no.
Here's that.
How much was that puller?
About 40 bucks?
I think so.
20 or 40? I don't remember.
That was worth it all
exactly.
day long. Cause I struggled one day trying to help somebody working on one of them things. Knock sensor removed.
Is that Aries? Does that say Aries?
Hmm?
Anybody needs one. This is a Aries harmonic balancer puller set. Amazon special.
We work great. Shop.
Let's see if there's a bump off. Diamond cover. It's free. Let's just take this off.
Those are the.
No, there were two little, they're in there too.
Okay. Fancy.
That's the M3.
Yeah. It's out of time now.
If it wouldn't, it is. We need a boat.
You got it over there on the table?
I need a long boat. I got it over here on the table. Water pump boat.
Yeah, easy. There it is. Did it.
Huh?
I did it.
What? You stepped in that?
I stepped in that. Look,
How?
I just put my foot there.
My damn foot in it.
What do you mean how? It's gonna be the hard one. Yeah.
There it is.
Angles and dangles. And they say not drop them on the ground, right?
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me.
All right, there's a stock 5.3 cam.
Trash. I don't know if I was excited or not.
Go for it.
I'm just ready to get that.
I'm just ready to turn this motor over.
Yeah, get that motor turned over so we can get the.
Your love and affection. All right, y'all. So we got the motor flipped over. We got that motor flipped over.
Throw it up everywhere.
Throw it up, of course. So Dean's gonna pull the oil pan. All right, y'all. Apparently I didn't hit play, or either my phone decided it was done for a little bit. But so we got the first 3 main caps out. We got one more left after we get the back cover off. And then the crank will come out and she'll be done.
That worked out good.
All right, that's all those. It's fancier than I'll get out.
Mm-hmm. Got from that crank, I've got the back of it. We'll set it out.
Chunky girl.
Yeah, it's heavy. Well, I guess that's about
That's it for today, ain't
a
it?
short block right there. Or nothing, just the empty block.
Just the block.
Just a block.
So yeah, I know it wasn't very entertaining, but